Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious New Orleans Bananas Foster. This recipe can serve up to about 3 or more people and is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your Bananas Foster. You will need some vanilla ice cream. Now you can use your favorite vanilla ice cream, or you can use my recipe for homemade vanilla ice cream. I'll have the links to that recipe video in the comment section and in the description box. Along with that, you will need 2 pounds of bananas, unsalted butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and some dark rum. I'm using Bacardi rum. And there we have it. We're going to get started by peeling 2 bananas. You want to make sure that your bananas are ripe. You're going to take your bananas and you're going to cut them into half slices. Now you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. This is the next step you can do. You can take your bananas and you can chop them into the regular size small slices. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a large saucepan, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Spread the butter along the bottom of your pan. Let the butter melt. Our butter has melted. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this come to a simmer. Our mixture is at a simmer now. Add your banana slices. Now you're going to let this saute for about 1 minute on each side. After 1 minute, you're going to flip the banana slices over and you're going to let that saute for 1 minute. Now for the special step, add 1/3 cup of dark rum. Now this next part is optional. I'm going to tilt my pan at a 30-degree angle and ignite the rum. As you can see, we have a nice flambe going here. Now you want to shake your pan slightly as the flambe is going on. Now don't panic, as the flambe will go out in a few seconds. And there you have it. Simple as that. Now you're going to let this saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to turn your fire off. And your Bananas Foster is now done. Here's the final presentation. As you can see, I added 4 scoops of my delicious homemade vanilla ice cream from scratch. And there you have it, Bananas Foster. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/charliethecookandrews. Stay tuned, as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's Taste Test. Oh, look at this. Look at that, you got the banana with the ice cream. The bananas melt right in your mouth. Then you have that cinnamon, buttery brown sugar, vanilla glaze, and they have that hint of banana and that rum sauce. Very, very good. Just delicious. Telling y'all, try the recipe. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bananas Foster, made by a New Orleans native. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.